how to use coins on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further navigate to your profile or wallet section, also known as credit balance, to check your current coin balance. Now, browse the Temu app and add items to your cart. Look for items or promotions that allow you to use the coins. Now, proceed to check out with the items you want to purchase, and during checkout, you will see an option to apply your coins toward the purchase. Select the number of coins you want to use. The equivalent discount will be applied to your total. Complete your purchase with the discount applied. Now, note that coins may expire after a certain period. Make sure to check the app for expiration details. Also, some purchases may have restrictions on how many coins you can use, and coins cannot be transferred to other accounts or converted into cash. So, this is how you can use coins on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.